Hi, good morning to all. Today, the class is for BA or BSc third semester psychology. So, in this, we will go to Unit 1. Unit 1 is about introduction and foundation to the lifespan development. In this unit, let's discuss about Session 1. Session 1 is about introduction of lifespan development. In this, the learning objectives of this session is the students can understand the basic concept of the lifespan development and you can aware about the cruciality of lifespan development. So, in this topic, let's discuss its introduction, its meaning and definition, tropical areas, human development stages. From the moment that the human child is conceived, the day the individual dies, they keep changing over constantly and developing. The lifespan development deals with the important development status that human beings pass through. Generally, birth, infancy, adolescence, adulthood, and old age, the lastly, finally, death. As the human grow from stage to stage, they learn how to use their body parts, learn how to express themselves and how to communicate themselves, and how to form relationship with others, and how to care, and how to love, and how to work. So, in this session, we'll learn the study that examines the changes of growth and its change and stability in behavior in our entire lifespan. So, here you understand the introduction of lifespan development. So, next we will discuss its meaning and definition. What is the meaning of lifespan development? The lifespan development explores how we change and grow from conception to death. According to the Baltas et al. 1980, lifespan development deals with the study of individual development from conception to our old age. So, next we will discuss about topical areas. The topical areas generally divided into three development stages. First one is physical development, and second one is cognitive development, and third one is personality and social development. So about these topical areas, we will discuss in clearly and briefly. Physical development. It is focuses on physical makeup of human body and emphasizes our brain, our nervous system, muscles, sensory capabilities as well our basic needs. This is the first development stage about physical. And next, cognitive development. It is generally emphasizes our learning skills and intellectual skills, memory and problem solving method, and our intelligence. This is about our mentality. Next, the third one is personality and social development. Emphasizes the characteristics that differentiate one person from another, as well as interaction with one another and how social relationships change over the lifespan. These changes may occur according to our environment and our social area. So, about these three development areas, we have clearly, briefly, we have discussed about this. Next, lastly, we will go to how human development stages going on. How it going on? So generally, researchers usually segment the child development into many stages. They have divided into many stages. So about this we can briefly we can discuss. The first one is prenatal period. This period is from conception to birth. So in this, the traveling period is about 9 months in mother's womb. So this is a rapid time to change, and during which one cell is organized to a body, to a human body. So we can grow inside our mother's womb according to the, and we can adjust according to the surrounding world. This is a basic birth. This is a basic birth period. So next one, infancy and toddlerhood. This is from birth to 2 years. In this period, the dramatic changes going to happen. It is our body changes and our brain development and our motor skills and our perception and intellectual capabilities will increase. Third one is early childhood. This period is from 3 to 5 years. So, this is the third stage. The body becomes longer and linear. The motor skills will increase and our children become more self-controlled and self-sufficient. Make believe that we can adjust to the sociological development also. Later, late childhood. Later, we will go to middle and late childhood. This is the age from 6 to 12 years generally. So, children learn how to adjust with the world, how to adjust with our world according to the changes going to happen, and they are capable to be responsible and they can have perform as a adults. So improve physical activities also and mental understanding skills also can increase. Next, adolescence. This is from 13 to 18 years. This period is mainly initiated to adulthood. So puberty lead to a adult size, body and sexual maturity. Thought becomes idealistic and schooling becomes increasing. Young people define personal values and goals generally. In this period, we have some goals and some values according to the individual mindset. So, sixth one is early adulthood. This is from 19 to 20 years. This period is a time for work and time to love. Sometimes we leave some things for anything else. Sex and love are powerful passions in our lives in this period. Middle and middle adulthood. This stage is from 30 to 60 years. In this period, what we have been formed and what we will be. For some of us, middle age is such a phobia place, a time when we need to discover what we are running from and to and why. We compare our lives with what we are promised to do it. So, last one is late adulthood. This age is from 60 and above, and finally it may be to death. So, the rhythm and meaning of human development eventually went their way to late adulthood. We learn life is lived forward, but understood it is backward. We trace the connection between the end and the beginning of our lives, and we can figure out what is happened in the beginning of our life and what is going to happen in our end. So, this is the last stage of our human development stages. So, in clearly and briefly, we have discussed all the periods from conception to our death. So, in this session, we have understood the main how the conception period will start and until the death. So, this session is completed. This is about introduction and its introduction one. So, next in the next session, we will go to its clearly way. It means the characteristics of it. So, thank you.